for the right vehicle? Check out 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, trip computer, CD player, compass, security alarm, power locks, fog lights, electronic stability control, power convenience group, convertible, rear window defroster, brake assist, Uconnect hands-free group, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.